Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to disable Authenticate with Biometrics before filling passwords in your Android phone. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your settings. Now scroll down and go to Privacy. Again scroll down. Now click on Autofill Service from Google. Here you can see the option of Preferences. You have to press on this. Use your password or pattern. Now in this option, you will find here Authenticate with Biometrics before filling passwords. If you want to disable this, you just have to turn off the button. That's it. So this is how to disable Authenticate with Biometrics before filling passwords. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.